Hi friends, welcome to Anu's Life. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and also hit the bell button for latest updates. Thank you. To make chochori we need potato, tejpatta, pachforon, bari. I fried it, green beans, pumpkin diced, brinjal, ginger paste, and in powder masala we require salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and here is pachforon, mixture of 5 spices, and this is salt. So these are all the ingredients which we require to make chochori in Bengali style. Now here I have taken one kadai, and in the kadai I have put 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, and we need to heat it for some time. Mustard oil is very good for heart. So once it is heated, we are going to add the pachforon in it. First we need to add the tejpatta, and next pachforon. We need to cook it for 30 seconds. Once the tejpatta and pachforon is roasted, we will add green chilies. I have taken green chilies as well as red chili. We have to fry it for some time. Next, we are going to add the diced potatoes. I have taken 2 medium size potato, and nicely I have to mix it with the oil. After frying for some time, we need to add the ginger paste and fry it for some time in medium flame. We have to keep on stirring so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the kadai. This is how we have to keep on mixing with the masala. Next, I am going to add turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon, and you can see the change in color, and it is looking really pretty. Coat it well. Next, I am going to add red chili powder. I have taken Kashmiri mirch powder, and next we are going to add salt to taste. Mix it properly. This is cumin powder. We need to take 1 tablespoon and mix it. We have to cook till it becomes half boiled. Now we are going to add the sugar to enhance the color and the taste of the dish. So nicely I am keeping on stirring it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the kadai. And next we are going to add the pumpkin. I have taken 400 grams of pumpkin, and it is diced. And it is loaded with vitamins, so pumpkins are really good for health, and during the summers we must have pumpkins. All over. Next we have to add the brinjal. In the same way we need to mix it. And the last vegetable is the green beans. I have taken around 400 grams. So these are also packed with vitamins. It's very good for health. So chochori is a proper meal for Bengalis. It is having all sorts of vitamins. We get from pumpkin and green beans, even from brinjal. So it's really nice. It's a combined full meal for us when we have it with a chapati, or we can have it with steamed rice. So now we need to mix it well. And we don't need to add water because it is having brinjal and pumpkin. It is going to release water on its own. So I'm not going to add any extra water for it to cook. So now the masalas are coated. I'm giving few chopped tomatoes and one red chili for flavor. Now I have to cover the lid and keep it for 10 minutes to cook. So friends, 10 minutes is over. Let us see how it's looking now. See, every vegetable is cooked very nicely, and then on the top of it I have added baris, and it's looking really nice. So friends, try it at home, eat it with rice, and please share this recipe with your friends and like and comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.